If these boots could talk, they'd tell a story. A scratch in the leather, evidence of a narrow miss. Pine needles gathered between laces and tongue which spill the beans of a secret campsite. A worn-out soul would speak of how far they've come and how much further they want to go. If they were another pair, they might settle into obscurity. But if they bear the Danner mark, they've been crafted with the highest quality materials and can be recrafted, sole and stitch, so their story can continue on.